winner for the giveaway for the pom maker and the yarn, and so I'm using this YouTube random comment picker, and I had over 300 comments on the video. So when I load this video right here, this video, then it's going to load all the comments and we're going to find out who the winner is. So I'm going to do that now, and whoever the one winner is, I'll tell you what you need to do. So now I'm going to pick the winner randomly. I had 334 comments for users for YouTube. Okay, and so it's Jana Koenig. Okay, so the winner is, I might be saying this wrong, but it looks like Jana Koenig. Okay, so what you need to do for this lucky winner, you have a week to come claim your prize, and all you need to do is come to this new video and comment down below that you're claiming your prize, and I approve all comments. So if you want to leave your personal information like your address, I can send the giveaway to you, and I won't approve that comment. I'll just know that you did comment. I'll leave my information in this video down below the video so you can contact me, and if you want to give me your address that way, or you can contact me through messaging through this YouTube, through my YouTube channel. You just go to messages in the YouTube channel and you can contact me that way. So there's 3 different ways. You can comment and I won't approve it, or you can comment through a messaging through YouTube, or I'll send an information link down below where you can contact me. Okay, so congratulations. I'm really glad that I found the winner, or I picked the winner, and thank you for all the nice comments and for viewing the video and for subscribing. And I'm going to have another giveaway soon, so look out for that video. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you did not already, please subscribe.